Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 15th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. Husband Appreciation Day. Husband Appreciation Day is an unofficial holiday celebrated annually on the third Saturday of April. The purpose of this day is to recognize and celebrate the efforts, love, and support that husbands provide to their spouses and families. It's a day to express gratitude and appreciation for the positive impact they have on the lives of their loved ones. On Husband Appreciation Day, spouses can celebrate their husbands by doing something special for them or giving them a day off from their regular responsibilities. This can include preparing a favorite meal, planning a special date, writing a heartfelt letter expressing appreciation, or simply spending quality time together. While it's essential to appreciate and cherish your spouse throughout the year, Husband Appreciation Day serves as a specific occasion to express gratitude and reinforce the bond that keeps the relationship strong and healthy. Tax Day. Tax Day is an annual event in the United States that falls on April 15th, unless it falls on a weekend or holiday, in which case the deadline is extended to the next business day. It's the deadline for individuals and businesses to file their income tax returns with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and pay any taxes owed for the previous year. The IRS requires taxpayers to report their income, deductions, and other financial information for the previous year to determine their tax liability or refund. Taxpayers who owe taxes must make payment by the tax day deadline to avoid penalties and interest charges. Those who are due a refund may file their returns and receive their refunds promptly. Titanic Remembrance Day. Titanic Remembrance Day is observed annually on April 15th to honor the memory of the passengers and crew of the RMS Titanic, which sank in the North Atlantic Ocean on April 15, 1912. The sinking of the Titanic is one of the most significant maritime disasters in history, and it resulted in the loss of over 1,500 lives. Titanic Remembrance Day is a time to reflect on the tragedy, remember the victims, and pay tribute to the bravery and sacrifice of those who perished. Many people hold memorial services or attend ceremonies to honor the memory of the Titanic's passengers and crew. National Anime Day. National Anime Day is celebrated annually on April 15th in the United States. This day is dedicated to promoting and celebrating Japanese anime, which refers to animated television shows and movies produced in Japan. Anime has gained a significant following around the world, and its popularity continues to grow. National Anime Day is an opportunity for fans to come together and share their love for anime, as well as learn about its history and influence on popular culture. On National Anime Day, fans may participate in various activities, such as watching anime films or series, attending anime conventions, dressing up as their favorite anime characters, or sharing their favorite anime moments on social media. The day is also an opportunity for newcomers to discover the world of anime and explore its various genres and styles. World Art Day. World Art Day is an international observance celebrated annually on April 15th. The day is dedicated to promoting awareness of the arts and highlighting their role in enriching culture and society. It also commemorates the birth anniversary of the renowned Italian artist, scientist, and inventor Leonardo da Vinci. The day encourages people to appreciate and participate in various forms of art, including painting, sculpture, music, literature, theater, and more. It's also an opportunity to recognize the contributions of artists and cultural workers and to advocate for greater support and investment in the arts. World Art Day is celebrated in different ways worldwide, with various art events, exhibitions, and performances taking place. It's also a day for people to express their creativity and share their art with others, whether through social media, public events, or personal interactions. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.